How to delete server in Discord app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Discord server using your mobile app, whether you're on iPhone or Android. So if you've got a server you no longer need, just follow along step by step and we'll remove it completely. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Now, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of all your servers. Tap on the server you want to delete. Next, tap on the server name at the very top of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap the gear icon to open server settings. Once you're in the settings, tap Overview. Now, scroll all the way down until you see Delete Server. Tap Delete Server, and Discord will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. Remember, once you do this, your server will be gone forever and can't be recovered. If you're sure, tap Yes to confirm. After that, the menu will close, and you'll notice your server has disappeared from the sidebar, meaning it's been permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Discord server is now completely removed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick Discord and mobile app tutorials.